Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to find and install a game called Fortress Saga. So first thing first, open App Store, click on the blue icon right here in your home screen. Then make sure that you log in your Apple ID account. Then click on the search button right here. And in the search bar, typing Fortress Saga and go search right here. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the game. So click on that, then click Get, then Install, then confirm installation through Face ID or Touch ID or using password from your Apple ID account. So now it's all done. The game is 315.6 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.